Hello and welcome back to another video. This problem, we're given the equation 2 times 5x minus 20 minus 15 plus 8x is equal to 7, and we're asked which value of x satisfies this equation. So the first thing we want to do is we're going to get rid of these parentheses. So for this first one, we want to multiply these by 2, distribute that 2. So you have 2 times 5x is 10x minus 2 times 20 is negative 40. And then for this parenthesis, you want to distribute the negative, right? You can think of it as multiplying by negative 1. So you have negative 1 times 15 is minus 15. Negative 1 times 8x is minus 8x, and this is equal to 7. And now that you have your parentheses gone, we can just solve for x. So we have 10x minus 8x. 10 minus 8 is 2x left. Minus 40 minus 15 is negative 55. These are all accounted for, and this is just equal to 7. Now we want to get x alone, so we add 55 to both sides. These cancel out, and you get 2x is equal to 7 plus 55, which is 62. Getting x alone by dividing both sides by 2, we get x is equal to 62 divided by 2 is 31. Which value of x satisfies the equation above? 31 is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.